We want to be your EV partner as a whole, so that you take care of your main core business, and then anything that is like EV questions, either from Strata, from a commercial site, or a property manager, that's where we come in, and it's your client, we're just here to support you. My name is Halam, and I am an account executive at Hypercharge. Hypercharge is an EV charging solutions provider. Think about hardware, software, services. That's where we come in. The Hypercharge Preferred Partners program is the ideal program to empower your business. Hypercharge electrical contractors are partners that are trusted advisor for installation of Hypercharge hardware. They receive competitive pricing from Hypercharge, as well as training and support from our team and a dedicated account manager. Some feedback that I've received from electrical contractors at Hypercharge is very positive. They are happy to have a dedicated account manager and a go-to contact that makes it as easy as an email or a phone call to get started on their first project together. Some of the expectations that we have for Hypercharge electrical contractors include provide professional installation services. We can support you with spec sheets or install manuals and promote Hypercharge whenever you're talking to your clients. Some successful traits that I see in partners include having a dedicated EV installation project manager, as well as having a dedicated EV charging station installer. If you want to become a Hypercharge Preferred Partner, please visit hypercharge.com/partners.